this is the family of our electronic air cleaners. We have our PD890 AIV mobile unit on casters, ideal for office spaces, larger rooms, any environment that you really want to protect and create a good indoor air quality. We have our PD590 AIV, which is suitable for bedrooms, nurseries, smaller office spaces as well too. This is a desktop unit or a wall mount. Then we have our PD680 floor mount unit or desktop unit as well too. All of them are negative ionizers, electronic air cleaners with carbon filtration units in them as well. Filter for life, carbon filtration every 6 months replacement.